Yeah man, one Natural Vibes TV. Today we do some pig's tail, some nice chicken foot. So you guys just looking at Soup Boss channel and tell him what I go on. So right now we have a new station named Roast and Fry. If you want to see more of this video, just go over there and check it out. Yeah man, I don't know main channel and Natural Vibes TV, so you guys can see some nice chicken foot. I have some nice pig's tail here. So you guys just support it. I have also some nice dumpling too. So yeah man, a one TV, one Natural Vibes TV. Yeah man, so I'm gonna share some dumpling now. As you guys can see. You know the real boss food. So you guys just subscribe and like, pick up the video. So these are the Jamaican dumpling. You guys wanna know dumpling? Jamaican dumpling. One TV to the world. Man, so I'm a new soup jug this. So you don't know, so Soup Boss have a new soup jug, so I put in some dumpling. Now this is myself, cause you don't know adventure style when we rain and fall in Jamaica. So you don't know Soup Boss just have drop into dumpling for himself. Yeah man, a one TV. So you see what I go in a jug there? Dumpling in a jug. Dumpling in a jug. Yeah man, so now Soup Boss I got to take out the meat them first. Want to share the soup so you know say. Yeah man, as you guys can see something hot. Yeah, so give my son a 3 chicken foot. And give him a nice piece of pig's tail so he can bar. See that? Yeah man, one Jamaica team man. So as you guys can see, a dumpling, red pea soup, pig's tail, chicken foot. Nicest meal, one soup channel. And remember, check out Roast and Fry. Any video you can get over here, so you can get different video over this. So one TV. Yeah guys, so we are going to share the soup them now. As you guys can see. Yeah man, Soup Boss are going to share the soup them now, but you know what I say? I saw the things still, so you guys just watch and watch what I go on. Yeah man, I'm Sunday and that, you know. Yeah man. Yeah. So the whole things can. It's a my one over that side, that's you know. Yeah man, I made that. Alright, one Soup Boss channel. And these are the leftovers in the pot. Yeah man, tomorrow I just drop in back some dumpling, piece of pepper and you know, piece of skillet and thyme and rewarm that fresh dumpling. So I cook whole heap of dumpling on my soup one time. Because the next day it will swaggy. So I like drop in fresh dumpling the next day. So remember guys, subscribe and like, hit the notification bell. I would say a one Soup Boss channel to the whole world. Natural Vibes TV. On a one Soup Boss and we're there, remember, New York, Arizona, New Jersey, red pea soup. Yeah man, pig's tail. You guys just come out and support the channel with some nice flour dumpling. One TV guys. Remember, subscribe and share the video. Love you guys. Yeah man, I want Natural Vibes TV and today I know it's a soup in the kitchen and love you guys. Thanks for always watching my video. Just remember, it's one Soup Boss and it's one Natural Vibes TV and we always try to build our own content. So, you know, just support it while we try to find our own content and try to build our station. One love. And we don't know a Soup Boss. I will have the nice pig's tail soup there so as you guys can see. Yeah man, a one TV man. So the things stay man, pig's tail in a plate. Noof. Noof, 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 noof. Yeah man. One TV we say man. Remember, subscribe and like. One love.
Oh, Pia, now. Oh, and Pinky and Trail, representing for Natural Vibe TV. Man, I'm a Bingy and Trail representing for one Natural Vibe TV. Me, I say, big up every time, one Bingy and Trail.
Mad. Yeah, man, one Natural Vibes TV. Yeah, man, we're out here without no fear. One Natural Vibes TV. I was a subscribe and like. I know we're coming from the falls to this, so you guys just go and support the channel. One TV, you say. One Natural Vibes TV. Yeah, man, remember to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. One TV. Yeah, man, and we're out here and do the video, so you guys just go and support the channel. I would say one TV, Yeah, man. One TV, you say, Yeah, man, just support the channel. One TV. One Natural Vibes TV, and we're out here. Out here without no fear. Yeah, man. We're up on the river, so it's a river vibes thing. And that's how the whole thing look today, yeah, man. Straight to the sky, man. Yeah, man, one TV is a man. One Natural Vibes TV. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell and the fall down. Me up on that side. So it's a watch video and it's one support the channel. So I'm right to support straight back around the block. One support the world. Yeah. You know the vibes feel nice out there, and we just feel like today we want to go some better content, so you guys just continue to support the channel. I would say one Natural Vibes TV. And we love you guys to the world. Yeah, man, just support the channel, man. One TV, we say, man. Anything else, you don't know it go. I would say support the channel because we're there up on the river. And the whole river vibes, as you guys can see. Place nice. Yeah, man, the whole river. Support Natural Vibes TV because we're out here and we are work. I would just want to continue to support the channel. One love we say, to the whole world, man. Yeah, man. So the things there, walk it so fast. So you have all the stages on the river, as you guys can see. Yeah, man, you have all the different stages on the river, man. So you guys can see walk one. The river full of all the stages. Yeah. All the river that. Tell me where you guys see about the river. Yeah, man, the river bad, and that we are showing you that direction, and we are going to turn the camera and show you what go on next direction. Yeah, man, so we have more than one direction. It's that one TV. Yeah, man, one direction there for the river. Inside the one. Yeah, man, one Natural Vibe.